What's up, YouTube? Back again with another video. Jesus. Yeah, well, what's up, guys? I'm back. Sorry for not uploading a video for a long time. Still trying to get used to doing all the scheduling and stuff for YouTube and stuff. And trying to figure out what games to do. I know you guys want Galaxy Railways and all this stuff, but I've already tried doing the Season 2 videos of Galaxy Railways. Does not work at all. It keeps getting copyright claimed or whatever. It keeps getting blocked. So, you guys can please just yeah, I'm trying to do it, but it won't work, so that's nice. And, yeah. Let's get into it. Oh yeah, and before I, go and stuff, because I won't be talking to this video, because it's gonna be a compilation. This is already meant, oh god, this is, yeah, but what I was gonna say is, subscribe, hit that bell, and like. I don't usually do this because I don't see a reason in it, but the more I see YouTube videos, the more I know why, because it gets people to subscribe. So just please hit that button, because I've also been needing to get a new computer so I can make videos less laggy and make it better for you guys, so you guys aren't literally dying of YouTube lag. So yeah, hope you guys enjoy. Oh, that sounded weird. Yeah, hope you guys enjoy this video, and let's get into it. No, screw it. Let's do this with talking, because, yeah, why not? So, I think that would be able to. We got a runaway train. We need to stop this runaway train. So, start everything. Do that. Let's go. I just like using mods because it just makes this game way easier, and I can do whatever I want, and I don't have to abide by game laws or whatever, you know. It makes this game funner with, more fun with mods, so, yeah. And auto clickers, because then you can do this. Oh, Jesus. Yeah, may or may not have just killed the locomotive with that. Oh wait, hold on, don't I have the locomotive remote? I do, haha. You won't do that. Run. How fast is this thing going? Let's just make sure. Just slowing it down a little bit so I can actually catch up, because, you know, thing does not go that fast. Speed you up a little bit. Just a little bit. Just a little bit. No, we're catching up. Oh jeez. Ah! Oof. No one saw that? we're fine. Definitely didn't just destroy the engine. I don't really talk much in these videos, do I? I don't, because I don't have any scripts or whatever, you know? And that crap. Which I'm not going to take that much time. Oh, Jesus. This is why you don't, drive trains distractedly, like, kind of like cars. Yeah, well, looks like Hogwarts has seen a better days. I mean, the railway, you know, yeah. Well, that was anticlimactic. You know? Super anticlimactic. Literally nothing derailed. Huh. Well, let me get out of this tunnel, and then, you know what? Let's just do that. And now we're gonna go ludicrous speed. Going ludicrous now, boys. Going maximum overdrive. Breaking the game. Beautiful. Don't mind all the wrecked trains. Don't mind that. Oh yeah, my old train. Yeah. Don't question. Definitely wasn't just like destroying everything and trying to destroy the game. Definitely wasn't earlier. Okay, now let's go again. Maximum overdrive. Oh, that's a caboose. Oh, well, it's coming with us for along with the ride. Hey, Jesus. This is entertaining. We're going fast. Oh, jeez. What's happening? Woo! Whoa, we just went through the caboose. Yeah. Weird. Breaking the game. Big time. Oh. Perfect. This is perfect. Ah, yes. Let's not talk about that down there. Definitely not the dead carcasses of trains. Definitely not. Let's go again. Thing's flying! Oh, come on. Isn't that thing flying? So we ended up we crashed like up there. We ended all the way up over here. Oh, it was like somewhere over here, and we went. Phew. Wow, we went far. That far. Where's the tracks? Oh, it's just thought of this because apparently there's a tunnel there. Oh yeah, that is a tunnel there. So just spam F a couple of times, and boom. Back to basically where we started. With the whole very fast train stuff, you know? Yeah. Okay, now, let's go forward. I want to do you. No, insta break the grass, you know, that's fine. No one needs glass and all those. What? Oh, wow. Why? Oh my god, that thing went flying. Pinball? Pinball? Pinball. There. Jesus. Hard time. It's still going. What the? It has so much momentum, it's literally rolling up a hill. So much speed, velocity, and momentum. It's just. Huh. We derailed, like, this area. Or somewhere around here. And we end up all the way over here. Interesting. Very interesting. Yeah, we came far away from, jeez. Like, I didn't think it was gonna do that, like. I feel like this is gonna be a good video. Yeah! Confidence. At its max. I guess. I don't know. Ugh. Just to let you guys know, just to remind you guys, I'm literally just thinking of all of this on top of my head, literally just coming out of nowhere. So that's fun, you know. Okay, and let's do that. Disable derail. So I've done this before and it's really fun to do. So what you do is, I don't know why I put it at this track. Just where we're going, we don't need diesel locomotive, or, you know, the engine started. Okay, do that. And do that. Yep, definitely totally supposed to happen. You guys obviously don't know what's about to happen. Well, you're about to see. I feel like Polar Express. That gave me Polar Express vibes, or Thomas and Friends vibes. Yes, I'm pretty old. Well, I'm not that old, but, you know. 13, and I still watch Thomas. Who cares? It's a good show. Yeah. What the? Get back here. Whoa, whoa. Huh? Bruh, that thing. Bruh. They're at the edge of the map. It's just sliding now. Huh. Run all the way back. Come up here, do that. Alrighty. I wonder how good this video is going to be. It's probably going to be crappy, but, you know, that's how it is sometimes, I guess. Because, you know, YouTube's kind of confusing sometimes. Am I even in the right spot? Oh. Oh. Boring. Oi, why you stop? This is going to be interesting. Maybe put it in gear. Yeah, this is going to be interesting. Maybe let's connect all of them first. Honestly, would have thought they would have been connected, but obviously not. And I was stuck into. Oh, don't tell me I'm gonna have to connect. Oh, yeah, just that one. Just these two right here. Boom. Run over here. Not close enough. Boom. Okay, jump up there. No, there we go. Doom. Alright, all the way over here. Alright, and now let's do this. That's like. Okay, well, this is going to be fun. Hope this game doesn't crash. No. Yeah, oh, it's a mess now in the river. Ocean, it looks like. Ocean. Wait, lake? Who cares? Ocean. Whatever. But that was cool looking. Huh. Oh, except that was that's not good. I don't know why I just like this game so much, because you just get to do whatever you want when you have like mods and stuff. And like, if you guys want me to, if you guys have this game, I can give you guys a tutorial if you want me to get mods, because I heard it turns out that it's just not going to control that. Woo. Oh, I'm gonna be over here. Thank you. Oh yeah, when they released that simulator game, well, the simulator update for this game's gonna be a lot more fun, because, first of all, completely reworked everything. If you haven't seen that whole Steam thing for the simulator, then you know, yeah. The game's hating me now, because of what I just did, yeah, I just now, oh, okay. And I ain't about to connect a whole bunch of hoses or stuff. Oh, yeah, sorry about the game. This is going to suck, but... Woo! Whoa! Hey! Hello! That was a laggy. Oh, that's a mess. That's a big mess. That was like, ooh. A lot of stuff happened there at once. Ooh. don't know how this works, but yeah. Long line 15 locomotives. Oh Jesus, this is laggy. Extremely laggy. Yeah, the game itself is probably not happy. Yeah, we know. Polar Express? Question mark? Yep, Polar Express. Jeez. Bruh, Polar Express. But all steam locomotives instead. Oh, ooh. What was that? That was lag. Oh yeah, I wonder why that was laggy. Wait for that could go away. Bruh. That's a mess. A big mess. 22 minutes already? Wow. I don't even feel like I've done much in this video already. I mean, obviously I'm gonna edit out some parts, like using the YouTube studio thing, because I ain't about to use something with massive watermarks and just take them up the entire screen. No. Oh yeah, and before I end the video, well, you know, it's getting close to the end. Oh god. Yeah, normal day in Derail Valley, just breaking the game. Might want to remove those. What happened over here? Alright, I think we're good with that. I don't know. Just being very annoying though. Alright, put it into gear, or, you know, train gears. Very long line of steam locomotives again. Let's go at it. Probably won't jump off because it's gonna kill my game if I stay on that. Oh Jesus. Yeah, wow. Yeah, well, I'll call it here. You know, subscribe. I already know I said this at the beginning of the video, but like the video, subscribe to the channel with the notification bell, obviously, and I promise I'll try and get more content out. But like I said in the beginning, I'm trying to find games to put trying to think of games that would be good on the channel. So yeah, obviously this was different from what the other video was, so obviously it won't be, I don't think it would be as boring. I hope it's not as boring, but you know, better mic so you guys can hear me better. And let me know in the comments if it's too loud, if I have to tweak some stuff. But other than that, thank you guys for watching, and peace.